Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Like I explained on my last video that I'm going to be dropping another wonderful strategy, and this strategy is going to be on our last strategy, and this is going to be an explanation on about how to use this strategy to trade on boom 1000, and on this is going to be on 5 minute time frames. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another one powerful strategy like this. And also you can also like and comment on this channel, and we have our Telegram group for you guys to join to enjoy daily boom and crash strategy. So guys, today I'm going to explain how to use this particular strategy trade successfully on boom 1000 5 minute time frames. I've already released a video on crash 1000 1 minute time frames, but in this video we are going to be explaining on how to use this strategy to trade on boom 1000 5 minute time frames. So guys, before I show you the settings of this strategy, let me explain the reason why I entered this trade and what really make me to enter this trade. But there are rules for you to follow inside this video, so I would like you to watch this video to the end. Then number one thing that you need to do if to trade with this strategy is to find you can adjust this particular move of your chart. So I want you to place this particular chart to the beginning of your charts, to the beginning of your screen here. You see, to the beginning of your screen. So let it be at the beginning of your screen, like this area. So but we don't want to set it up here because it doesn't show us an accurate area. We don't want to set it up at the middle because it does not show us an accurate area. But when you move it to the last to the beginning screen area here, it's going to show you a best accurate time for you to trade successfully in trading this strategy. You see, what you are going to be notes in this strategy is our moving average here, which is our red 9 here, and we are having our light green here. We are also having our light 9 here also, and we have our market facilitation, which is the black 9 that you are seeing at this area, which is the black area that you are seeing this area. So anytime you are having your red 9 that is moving on a downtrend and immediately it break this negative 100 level that you see here, this is the right time for you to enter your trade. Like what is happening here, you see, anytime you want to take your trade, make sure that your screen is adjust to the beginning of the chart, and you see this confirmation at this area. So we have our red 9 that move above the negative order here, and it was trying to reach our 10 level here. Where it's going to be meeting up together with the red 9 with the green 9 and the light 9 that we are having at this area. You see that? So once this red 9 cross above the negative order and it was meeting together with the green 9 and the light 9 here, then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. So that is the reason why I entered this particular trade at this area. And what do you see next is what is spike. So like this market now, by the what that we see here, we are still expecting more spike in the market, but that would depend on the move of the next chart. But currently now I'm supposed to I've closed this trade now, since I'm having above I opened up to like 3 trade with this, and I'm already having close to $10 with this particular trade. But I just leave it so that I can use this to explain to you guys how this strategy really works on this channel, on this place. So let me show you another setup, another accurate area that you need to know. Don't forget, when you adjust your screen, know that you are having this your 9 at at this index area. So that will be your last trade. So don't forget, so anything that you are checking on, make sure you are checking it beside that area. You see that beside that area. So let me show you something that happened here. You see, this is another confirmation area that we want to talk about. You see this area too. You see this area too. So we are looking up to this area. So we are looking up to this around area. So you see now, what happened here is that we have our, sorry for that, so we have our moving average that went below the what, the negative ordering here. And I told you guys that immediately it went below the negative ordering and it was trying to move together with the light 9 here and the green A9 together. Then this is the right time for you to enter your trade. And when you enter your trade, you can see that you keep on catching up your watch, catching up your spike. Even if it is just one spike, make sure you take it and you close your trade and wait for another accurate time for you to enter again. So you see, we have another confirmation at this area again. You see what the confirmation did? Immediately it entered the negative ordering and it was meeting together with the negative, with the light 9 and the green 9 together. What you see next is a spike. You see, this strategy works if you can only follow the rules that I've explained inside this video. And the reason why you need to place your charts at this area is that when you see now, when we place this our chart at the middle, you will see that our red line is not even closer to the negative ordering. And when you place it at the beginning of your screen, you will see that our red line is still at the beginning of it. So you can only find an accurate time for you to enter when you have your chart, which is on your screen at the beginning of the screen. You see that that's the only time for you to have your accurate line. So let me check more to see. So I've explained this before, so let me check for more. You see, this is another one. We have the full confirmation at this area. We have the full confirmation here. So even if you run in loss for some minutes, you are still going to be making your profit every time. So let me show you another one. You see another one here, another one is here. So it happens in the market time to time. You see that if you can catch up to like 4 to 5 times of it in a day, I think that one is okay to enjoying your day. You see another one at this area. You see it break it over at this area, and what you see next is a spike up. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you also can set it up on your phone. So we have the indicator window 1, which is our average directional movement index. We have our period to be 50. Just screenshot it the way you are seeing it here. Just make sure that your style and negative DI are in the color of your background, and make sure you set up all this level that you are seeing here. Just screenshot it because I'm going to make it so fast. And your period is 50. Then you press on done. We have the commodity channel index. Screenshot it the way we have it here. Then press on done. Then we have our moving average period of 10, and we have our style to be in red color. Then press on done. Then we have markets facilitation index. Our volume is thick, and you have your color as this. Then you press on done. So by doing this, you will have the same settings the way we have it here on our chart. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we have our next video. And also you can also like and comment on this channel. You can tell us your experience so far using different strategy on this channel, and also you can also join our Telegram group for mentorship and for guides. We are always available for you guys. So thanks.